Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will be talking about character retouching. It is very much needed in today's thumbnails, so this guide will definitely be useful to you. The guide will be divided into 3 parts: retouching, blurring and brightening. We will take care of the eyes, cheeks, and hair to make it look amazing. It is important that the character fits the background, because then it looks realistic. We will start by copying the layer we will be working on. It is best to have a second one to compare the effect. Now we will define the incidence of light. I will choose the one on the left. Now we will work on our copied layer. First we will remove acne and wrinkles. We will use a stamp for this, which is also available in Photoshop. We remove literally everything that doesn't match the color next to it. Now we will blur the face to smooth out some facial features. To do this, we create another layer and blur the layer below it. We will focus on the areas under the eyes and the forehead so that there are no wrinkles there. We use Gaussian blur to blur the image, which will help us maintain the quality of our photo in the future. We blur very low, literally 1.5-2 pixels. We place the blur layer lower than the layer on which we will remove the inconveniences. We remove them with an eraser with the coverage set to 50% minus 70% depending on the place. It will be more under the eyes. There may be less on the forehead to avoid an ugly effect next to the hair. Now we will focus on the last part, which is lightening. We do this by removing the black color from the leveled photo. Hard? See for yourself how I do it. We do this to create small white sources and large black sources, thanks to which we will position the light. Now we remove the black color and blur the white, and give it a soft light. Now we will adjust it slightly by playing with opacity and effects. Now, with the local brightening tool, we will brighten the render on the left side, where the light source is. Now we will add some dark light source in the same way, only in reverse. We gently introduce dark color so as not to disturb the effectiveness of the photo. Now we will add saturation and change the color slightly to make the render look natural.